Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add photos on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're going to do is open the Capcut application, and here I already have my Capcut open. You can start a new project, or you can also choose or use your previous project. For me, I want to use this project, so I already have the video with the lyric here, but I want to put the picture to like make it more better. So the things that if you want to add the photos in this project, you just need to decide the use of the photo. Do you want to use the photo as your part of the clip, or you want to use the photo that appear in a same frame with the video that you have on the project? If you want to add the photos as a clip, you can just by clicking this plus button here, and then please go into the photos, and now you can choose which photos that you want to add. For example, these photos. Okay, so you already have the photos in the form of the clip, but if you want to make these photos appear in the same frame with the video that we have on our project, if you want the photo appear in this screen here, you can use the overlay features. Just click the overlay, and now you can use this overlay features here. Just click it and choose the photos, and after you choose it, just click add. You already have the photo like in front of the video. You can like edit this photo by using the tools here in the edit tools, and adjusting the size by crop. Let's make it smaller so that the video will be clearly seen. Okay, and after done, you're just adjusting the size too. Right, and now you already have a photos that appear in front of your video, and that's how the way you add the photo into your Capcut. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.